India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi will interact with the beneficiaries of PM Vishwakarma scheme during his visit to Wardha on Friday. DD India's Yogesh Seetal has filed this report.
India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Wardha, Maharashtra and participate in the national PM Vishwakarma program, marking 1 year of progress under PM Vishwakarma.
This program is basically to celebrate success of PM Vishwakarma scheme, which has been launched last year by Honorable PM Narendra Modi. This program also includes launching of Mega PM Mitra Textile Park in Amravati, followed by 2 schemes of Skill Development Department, that is Acharya Chanakya Skill Development Center and Punyashlok Ahilyabai Holkar Mahila Startup Scheme. Followed by launching of the event, the Honorable PM will interact with 750 locations across India.
During the program, Prime Minister will release certificates and loans to PM Vishwakarma beneficiaries. He'll also release a commemorative stamp dedicated to mark 1 year of progress under PM Vishwakarma.
India is known for its sophisticated traditional craftsmanship. However, due to various factors, particularly due to technical advancement related competition in market and also due to COVID-19 crisis, Indian artisans and craftsmen had to face hard days. This Vishwakarma Yojana had ensured that the much needed support and help by the government could be extended to these artisans.
The scheme provides collateral-free credit, skill training, modern tools, incentive for digital transactions and market linkage support to artisans in 18 trades. In Wardha, artisans are excited to attend the event.
हमने रजिस्ट्रेशन किए, हमारा ट्रेनिंग भी हुआ 40 घंटे का, इसके जो है स्टाइपेंड भी मिल गया उनको और आगे इनके किट मिलने वाली है। ये कारीगरों के लिए लाभदायक है और आगे नई पीढ़ी को उत्साही होने के लिए अच्छा और आर्थिक उसकी बाजू भी सक्षम होंगी।
इस योजना को लेकर के हमारे समाज में एक खुशी की लहर आई है और नए युवा वर्ग में अपने पारंपरिक व्यवसाय के प्रति भावना जागृत हुई है।
More than 2 million beneficiaries have registered to avail the benefits of this scheme, out of which 1,11,861 are from Maharashtra.
Wardha lies near Sevagram, which is the place where our freedom fighters had held number of meetings to give a boost to Swadeshi movement. Now at the time, the country is witnessing another form of Swadeshi movement through Make in India, Vocal for Local, Self-Reliant India. Wardha will be witnessing the first anniversary of the scheme, that is PM Vishwakarma Yojana, the scheme which is dedicated to the core of Indian talent. With my colleague Kapil, this is Yogesh Kumar Seetal reporting from Maharashtra for DD India.